Hey guys, it's Vanessa, and I'm gonna be singing Firework Katy Perry. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag, drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel physical paper thin, like a house of cards, won't open caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, scared and no one even hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? There's a spark in you, and you gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework, come and so firework, make it go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework, come on, let your colors burn, make them go you're gonna leave them falling down. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to a perfect goal. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and every time you know